So you're on a job and you're looking at something and you don't know what it is. You don't know what this is. This a water meter or I don't know. I don't know. Take a picture of it and then go to the on-site help system that we have if you're in need of immediate assistance. It's inspectors helping other inspectors while they're on the job. And it looks like this. Houston, we have a problem, right? So you click that button there. Let's take a look. You go to the online forum, and here's a little description about the emergency forum. But here, someone is posting a panel bonding to the neutral is not visible. What should we do? Plastic material over insulation in the crawl space? Or a structural concern? How about the structural concern? Let's go here. So someone is talking about the structural concern, and Michael posted that picture, and he's wondering what the heck is going on and what should I say, right? And so looks like Kenton Shepard, a certified master inspector, says, how about something like concrete masonry unit, CMU, columns supporting the floor structure in the crawl space were improperly installed, they're damaged, and appeared to be spaced too far apart. The inspector recommends evaluation by a qualified foundation contractor or a structural engineer. And then Kenton has his library of inspection articles. So you can click there and get his library of inspection narratives, which are sentences that help you describe what you are observing. And this is something that Michael needed help on. That is an amazing picture. Yeah, that is definitely a major structural defect. So if you need help when you're on site, you're covered, you're not alone. We have an on-site help system. Take a moment right now and click that link and visit that on-site help system and see what other inspectors are posting, and maybe you can actually contribute and help another inspector.